Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to today's video of the two-list success system review. This system just dropped today. It's a brand new hot system. It's developed for beginner affiliate marketers, and it aims to teach you how to go from zero to hero. Zero to usually the statement is zero to hero, but from zero to $10,000 with just two simple methods. Um, it's developed by my buddy Wayne Crow and one of his top students, Jimmy. Not quite sure what. I saw Jimmy's last name earlier, but I can't remember what his last name is right now off the top of my head. But anyway, so this system is pretty new. It's great for beginner affiliate marketers. So if you don't know how to build your list and you're wondering how you can go about building your list in 2025, it will teach you how to do that, and it actually shows you like a two list system, like a two way. Jimmy uses a two list um, style with his autoresponder. So he has one list where he has engaged leads in that list, and then the other list is for profits. So he'll show you how to do all that and how to actually go from zero to hero, basically to $10,000, basically a month, in just two simple methods, like I said before. Now, I am offering some bonuses. I'm still putting them together, but if you get it through my link today, I will give you the bonuses. What you have to do is you have to email me a copy of your receipt. You can't just say, yeah, I got it, and not show me your receipt, which you can do so by sending it to the email down below in the description. Once you send this, send the copy of your receipt and that you got it through my link, and I confirm and everything that you got it, I will send you my five lucrative bonuses. I've got some surprise bonuses being put together, and you guys are just going to love it. The other thing I got to mention is the regular price of this, the launch price, is $12.95. If you go through my link today, you actually get it for $7. I know it says 97 here, but that's like regular price after launch. So the regular launch price is $12.95, but today you get it, through my link. This is actually my direct link right now that I'm inside, and you'll see that you get it for $7. So I'm going to play a little bit of the video of Wayne Crow talking, and then first, though, I'm going to go through this. So the success in 2025 demands that you are building the right types of lists, you are focusing on consistent wins and actionable no fluff methods, avoiding list building pitfalls, and a beginner friendly plan. Now, guys, I want to tell you a little bit of a story before I continue. When I started doing list building myself, I learned from my mentor for $197 USD. In Canada, that at that time that was like $325, I believe, or something like that. You guys are getting this today through my link for $7, and you're getting taught all the same stuff that I basically got taught for $7, and that's pretty lucrative. That's awesome. And of course, I'm adding five extra bonuses to that to help you with your earning in 2025. So yeah, the two list success system is really awesome. Um, like I said, it will teach beginners, A to Z, how to build your list, how to, and it teaches you Jimmy's method, where Jimmy has put his list together with one being engagement, one being profits. So it's just completely amazing. So I'm going to quickly play the video for you guys. I'm going to go and blow it up, and then I'll close off after that. So just give me one quick second to cue it up here, and here we go.
Hey there, Wayne Crow here. If you're struggling to make money online, feeling like no matter what you try, nothing seems to work, I've got something for you today that's really exciting, and I can't wait to share it with you. I'm here with my student and now business partner, Jimmy Griffith, And trust me when I say his story might just change the way you look at online marketing and making money online forever.
Thanks, Wayne. Hey, everyone. I'm Jimmy. A few months ago, I was exactly where a lot of you are right now. Frustrated, overwhelmed, and wondering if I ever figure out how to make money online. I kept trying one thing after another, blogging, social media, affiliate marketing, but nothing worked. I felt like I was just spinning my wheels and wasting my time.
And that's exactly where I came in. See, I've been doing this for over 15 years. I've made over $15 million online, and I know what works. More importantly, I know what doesn't work. When Jimmy reached out to me, I knew he just needed the right system, something simple, actionable, and proven to get results fast.
That's when we started working on what we now call the two-list success system. And honestly, it changed everything for me. Using the system, I went from $0 to $12,000 in commission in just a short period of time.
Let me explain why this system works so well. Most people fail because they're trying to do too much. They're overcomplicating things with funnels and ads and content that takes forever to set up. But with the two-list success system, you only focus on two specific lists. That's right. That's it. Build the right list, the right way, and watch as the commissions start rolling in.
And the best part, you don't need to be an expert or have any special skills to make this work. I'm not some marketing guru. I'm just a regular guy who's willing to follow the steps Wayne showed me. This system gave me a clear path to follow. I don't have to figure everything out on my own. And honestly, I can't believe how quickly it started working.
Now, Jimmy's story is proof that this system works. But let me tell you, you don't need to take our word for it. You can try it out for yourself and see how simple and effective it really is. Here's exactly what you'll get when you join the two-list success system today. You get step-by-step training that shows you exactly how to build these two lists and start earning commissions right away. A proven system designed for beginners, so you don't need any prior experience or technical skills. The best part, you can see results in as little as 48 hours.
Wayne's not kidding. I made my first commission within days of starting this system, and it felt incredible to finally see something that actually worked.
Now, here's the deal. This isn't some complicated high-ticket program. You're not going to need to spend thousands of dollars or weeks learning super advanced techniques. This system and technique is straightforward, affordable, and designed to get you results fast. Right now, you can get started for just $7. That's less than what most people spend on a coffee in a day. And if you're not 100% satisfied, we're going to give you every penny back. No questions asked.
Look, I know you're sitting there wondering if this is for you. I used to think the same way. I know how it feels to doubt yourself and where you'll never figure it out. But this system changed everything for me. I know it can do the same for you. The only thing standing between you and your first commission is that button below and getting started.
You've got nothing to lose, possibly everything to gain. So stop overthinking it and take action today. Click the button below to join the two-list success system, and let's get you on the path to success, and we'll see you on the inside.
So come on, click that button and let's get started.
All right, so as you guys can see, that's the two-list success system. Like I said, it's two lists that they set up, and like they said, you can see your first commission within 48 hours of getting the system. So again, if you go through my link, you do get it for $7. The other thing is I've got the 5 bonuses that I'm throwing in with it. I'm still in the middle of getting them set up and everything. But when you get it through my link, all you need to do is go down to the email down below and send the copy of your receipt to that email, and then I will send the bonuses right away. So you guys check out the link down below for this, and also check out the other link that I've put down below as well in the description and the comment section, which is my own personal review website. I also do blogs on there to teach you guys a little bit more about affiliate marketing, email marketing, things like that. Anything in the online world, it will give you ideas of how to make money online if you are completely brand new. And that's something too that you guys can go to my site and do and mix it with this. If you get this system, you go to that website, you check out some of my blogs, and I've got some things that go together with this extremely well. So you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.